Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we proudly call the best Cufflinks men classic tuxedo French shirt. The FAHIZO men's white tuxedo shirt with wing collar, French cuffs, and accessories. Whether you're prepping for a formal gala, a black tie wedding, or a performance on stage, this shirt is designed to deliver an upscale, timeless look. From the first glance, this shirt screams elegance. It features a sharp wing collar that frames your bow tie perfectly. Yes, the bow tie is included. But that's just the beginning. The shirt is a complete ensemble. It also comes with metal cufflinks and a lapel pin, making it a well-rounded formal wear package that takes the guesswork out of dressing up. Everything is color coordinated, giving you that crisp, polished appearance with minimal effort. Let's talk about fabric. This tuxedo shirt is made from a blend of 12% viscose sourced from modal and 88% microfiber polyester. It means it's breathable, soft on the skin, and designed to be wrinkle-resistant. That's a huge win for anyone attending long events or needing to travel. You'll look fresh all evening with minimal ironing or maintenance. Whether you wash it by hand or machine, this shirt is made to last and stay presentable. The fit is modern, cut in a regular fit that tapers slightly at the waist and features slimmer sleeves. This is important because it avoids that boxy, outdated look that some formal shirts fall into. Instead, it complements most body types while still leaving room for comfort. Just remember to double-check the size chart, as FAHIZO does recommend referring to it or their size video for the best fit experience. French cuffs are a hallmark of traditional black tie attire, and this shirt delivers. The included cufflinks are metal and stylish, giving your wrists a touch of luxury. Combined with the minimalist solid white design and absence of a front pocket, the result is sleek and streamlined, perfect under a jacket or on its own for a semi-formal occasion. You can wear this shirt for business meetings, dinners, stage performances, or even as a classy touch to a casual outfit. It's also a smart gift choice for a boyfriend, husband, father, or friend who appreciates elevated style. The FAHIZO men's white tuxedo shirt with wing collar and French cuffs is more than just a shirt. It's a ready-to-go outfit that simplifies formal wear while enhancing your appearance. With thoughtful details, durable fabric, and included accessories, it easily earns its spot as the best in its category. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and let us know what you want us to review next. Stay sharp and see you in the next one.